my name is Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Search International Limited, and here is your daily technical analysis of stock index futures. I'll start with the UK FTSE futures. An obtuse pattern yesterday, but one that opens the way to a lot of possibilities. On the surface, it was an indecisive doji cross with a long tail. However, it could also be seen as a daily key reversal up on its own as well. Then again, taking into consideration the action since mid-March, it could also be seen as a possible double top with the additional feature of a break lower from the recent bull channel. So you can see this leads to all sorts of possibilities. For now, I've decided to place initial potential target X in the 74.13 area, with a secondary potential target X1 in the 73.63 area, just in case a double top works out. Interestingly, these are close to the slowly rising short-medium moving average, currently at 74.15, and the medium moving average, currently 73.86, with just some obvious areas of support. All this is, of course, in the shadow of February's monthly key reversal up. So far today, a lower open and an attempt lower, even managing to breach the neckline of the possible double top in the 7500 area, but then not managing to, so far, to sustain it, or to sustain the move lower, with prices moving up to the rising short moving average, currently at 75.38. German DAX futures. A second bullish white soldier yesterday with a strong move and strong close over the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 14.342, and importantly over the falling short medium moving average, currently 14.393. Additionally, it was the second consecutive close over the neckline, currently 14.255, over the December 2021 to February 2022 head and shoulders top, after spending the last 2 weeks below it. Finally, the top of the market yesterday was capped by the untested upper time, currently at 14.587, of the January to late March bearish shift pitchfork. This coming after earlier this week the market had punched up through the upper time, currently 14.131, of the bearish Andrews pitchfork for the same move. Now, if prices stay over this upper time, then I'll likely retire the more acute bearish Andrews and just keep the shallower bearish shift pitchfork in place. So far today, a much lower open, below the short medium moving average and even the 50% Fibonacci line at 14.342, testing the neckline, currently at 14.255, of the December 2021 to February 2022 head and shoulder top, but then rejecting it, such that we are currently looking like an indecisive spinning top for today, right now. US E-mini S&P futures. Yesterday's action here was no doubt the most interesting of all the stock index futures moves, with the market moving down with a combined very large key reversal down and bearish engulfing pattern. Initially, the market pierced the acute upper time, currently at 44.69, of the start of January to late March bearish Andrews pitchfork, and tested up to the approach of the slowly rising long moving average, currently at 45.25. However, this move up stuttered to a halt, and prices then dropped down to finish near to last Friday and this past Monday's closes at the 43.87 area. This keeps prices below all the moving averages and not far from the very recent 50% Fibonacci line at 43.66. All the action these last 4 days, including the lows made last Monday after Easter, have set up the market to possibly make a weekly key reversal this week. If prices close either below 43.87 or over 44.84 tonight, then we'd be on. Anything in between would have a lesser outside week. Right now we are looking at a possible weekly key reversal down, but only just. So far today, a small follow-on lower, briefly breaching the 50% Fibonacci line at 43.66, but pulling back up again. Beyond the 50% Fibonacci line, we have little until the congestion around the 61.8% Fibonacci line of the same move at 43.04, and then the middle time of the bearish shift pitchfork, currently at 42.75, for the same move as the bearish Andrews pitchfork. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted with this broadcast. Copyright is Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here comes the final bit.